Everyone, this is a quick video how to load or unload your grease gun. And this one, it was left over a long time ago, and we just cleaned it, and I used a brake cleaner, brake and parts cleaner, to clean because it was stuck left over a very long time ago, and now it's good to go. Okay, so that's the rubber, loading rubber, and we can open this. This is just the cylinder, and also if you like to clean it, this one can open, this one, and they were blocked. The pipe, this hose and the pipe, they were blocked, so you can see now they all clean and good to go. And this is the cylinder, the pump, cylinder pump. So in the grease, there is a sealer here, this one. There's a pump, grease get inside here, and once you pump, it comes out this way. This one is to release air, but there is already a hole here too, so the air can come out. Take this one in, and now this is what we're going to be using. Put this one back in. Okay, can stick this one in. We need to open this. This is, we have to pull like that. Okay. Put this one in. Pull. Locked in. Then this one in. Okay. Now release this. Okay. Now it's ready.